Dharma and Satya. Look at the words. This is Ramayana. He alone stood on the rock of Dharma and Satya as one towering figure above all the others. And it is in this Ayodhya Kanda, this man exhibits himself as a veritable God among men, that indeed he was a God. That is Ayodhya Kanda. Ramayana is Janma Sapalya. Can you believe why Ayodhya Kanda? It's apt today. In this sarga we will see people say it is vidhi, it is karma. I don't know why this happened. But nobody stood still. Ram didn't stand still. They found that they left Ram. And what they say, yet this sloka comes here, yet just this happened. We have to move on in the memory of Ram. Let's pull our life together. Yatra Ramaha bhayam na atra. What a sloka. How apt it is today. World runs, world didn't stand still. Yatra Ramaha bhayam na atra. Na asti tatra para bhava. Not my word, Valmiki's word. How many people have read Ramayana like this? Pade pade swadu, pade pade atma anubhav. Sahi shur mahabahu putra dasharatastasya. Valmiki says, which is apt today. Sudden turn of events. He, Ram, stands on the rock of Dharma and Satya. Satya acharanameva dharma. That's why Professor Raghavan